guys, welcome back to my channel. This is obviously a new angle on my channel that you guys haven't seen before. Welcome to my bathroom. I thought that this would be a good time to film a nighttime skincare routine for you guys. Just to start off, a little more information on my skin. I do have very acne prone sensitive skin. Most of my acne is more of the red under the skin type of acne rather than whiteheads. I've also been on tretinoin for around a month, so I do have a lot of dryness and like dry patches on my skin because of that. So my skincare routine currently is very focused on hydration and calming my skin. So for oil cleansers, I currently use the 𝘀𝘀់𝗰𝗶𝗹 Light Cleansing Oil. I use this when I'm wearing makeup or if I'm wearing SPF. I didn't go outside today, so I will be skipping this step, but I do use this mostly every day. So currently for my cleanser, I use the 𝗺𝗲𝗱𝗶 Pine Calming Cica Cleanser. I think this cleanser is really good for sensitive skin and it has a lot of ingredients that are good at calming irritation. And especially since I'm on tretinoin currently, I really need a cleanser that doesn't further irritate my skin. So I'm just gonna be taking a little bit on my hand and I just... And then I just pat my skin dry with a clean towel. So after washing my face, I move on to the toner step, and I am currently using the 𝗺𝗱𝗶 Heart Leaf Calming Toner, which again is a nice product for calming irritation and any redness that you have. I do really like this toner, but I do prefer the 𝗺𝗲𝗱𝗶𝗶 toner, so I'm going to be switching over to this one after I finish up my 𝗺𝗱𝗶 toner. I just take some on my cotton pad and I just pat any excess moisture into my skin. So moving on to serums, like I said previously, I have a lot of dry patches on my skin. Throughout the day, I've found that my skin does peel a little, so I am using the 𝘀𝘀𝗰𝗶𝗹 Hyaluronic First Ampule, and it's just a really nice hydrating serum. So I'm just taking it on my hand. I am applying it to my whole face, but I am focusing it on my cheeks because that's where most of my dry patches are. On days that I'm not applying tretinoin, I go in with the Kiehl's Expertly Clear Anti-Treating and Preventing Lotion. This has salicylic acid in it, which is why I don't use it when I am on tretinoin. So when I am using tretinoin, I go in with the 𝗺𝗲𝗱𝗶𝗹 moisturizer, I believe. This is kind of like more of a gel moisturizer, which makes it easier for me to layer it onto my skin without having to worry about oiliness. So I just take a little bit and apply it all over my face. Like I said, the area that has a lot of dry patches are my cheeks, so I like to go in with an extra moisturizer. This is the Rataplan Minari Cream, and I just rub it into the areas with my dry patches. That is basically it for my skincare routine on days that I'm not using tretinoin. Days that I am using tretinoin, after I use my moisturizer, I like to go in with a sheet mask. Because I am applying tretinoin, I go in with a hydrating sheet mask. Lately, I've been really obsessed with the Rataplan hydrating sheet mask. I'll put a picture right here or the name right here, but I'll apply that and then I'll wait until it fully settles into my skin, which is around 30 minutes after I take the sheet mask off, and then I'll go in with my tretinoin, and then that's it for my skincare routine. So yeah, that is it for my nighttime skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope this was helpful for anyone who is also having the same skin troubles as I am. And yeah, as always, thank you for watching. Bye!